Benvenuti! Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Grace. Today we're going to be making cucinetti, which are little pillow cookies from Italy, filled with beautiful candied fruits, some walnuts, some nice pignoli nuts, and some different spices. I also like to add some orange marmalade inside. Let's get started. Each region of Italy has their own little recipe. Today I'm doing the southern part of Italy. For the dough, you're going to need 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cups of sugar, 1 stick of butter, 2 medium brown eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 shot of brandy, 1 zest of a lemon, and 1 zest of an orange. The first thing we're going to do is start to mix up the filling of the cookies. So we're going to start to add the zest of an orange and the zest of a lemon. Our pignoli, I like this marmalade because it has all the zest of the orange in there. Very easy recipe to do. Now that this is all nicely combined, I'm going to cover it, refrigerate it, and that'll be in overnight. Okay, we're ready to make our dough now. The first ingredients that go in is the sugar and the eggs. We're going to start to add in our flour a little at a time. Now we're going to work the dough a little, okay, where it's soft from the butter, but it's not sticking. We're going to roll this out and we're going to flour our rolling pin. We're going to start to light the oven at 350 degrees. Some people like to use the cookie cutters. I do it the way I was taught, with the coffee cup. Just keep everything well floured. Now the trick to this is once you fill the cookie, you're going to get a small bowl with ice water in it, and you're going to wet your finger and just go along one side like you're giving it a smile. Now there are 3 different ways that you could top these cookies. One is with icing by itself. Another one is with an egg wash on it, which will leave a shiny texture on top. And the third one is icing and then colored sprinkles on top. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Ciao.
Can you see if I'm in the picture? I don't think I am. No, I got it.
You are in the picture. Step back. I can see the microphone.
Could you see all the toys?
Yes.